Hey everyone! Today we are checking out the Azamou Storage Box for all your favorite trading cards. This case features 3 adjustable sponge partitions to organize over 300 top loaders, or magnetic card holders. It easily fits basketball cards, sports cards, and even side-placed PSA graded slabs for ultimate organization. The high-quality sponge interior provides premium cushioning to prevent any harmful scratches, squeezing, or bending. A sturdy frame design ensures your valuable collection stays safe from accidental impacts and tough daily drops. This durable framework keeps your cards completely intact and well protected through many years of use. Upgrade your card storage today with this versatile and incredibly tough protective solution for serious collectors. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.